Welcome to My Sales Styler. My name is Reed Buller, and in this video, I will show you how you can use the voicemail drop feature in this My Sales Styler web application. So, for that, you need to log in as an agent. So, you need to click here in the login button, and using the agent credential, you can log in into the portal. Now, once you log in, this is the landing page. So first, let me just show you how you can upload the voicemail into this portal. So for that, you need to click here in the My Message template. And in the drop down, you can select the voicemail drop templates. Now, first you need to record your voicemail and then you need to upload the MP3 or WAV file here in this portal. And by clicking here in the choose file, you can select and upload that recording. So let me go ahead and select the random recording for you and then give the name. And then simply click here to save the recording. Now, once you click here to save the recording, this particular recording will save into this MySales Styler portal. So as you can see, we've got the message as well. So the best part of this particular portal is there is no limit of, the number of voicemail templates. So you can create different voicemail templates according to your client and you can upload that into this portal. And once you be done with this process, now you need to click here in the CRM button. Then click here to My Contact and then Contacts. Now, in the right hand side, you can able to see the something called auto dialer. So now below that, you can see the voice greeting audio. So here, like below that, you can see the select template option. Now, if you click here, you can able to see all your recording, like whatever recording you have uploaded into this particular portal. So you can see that from here, and then you can select the recording according to your requirement or the client's target, and then you can simply come here in the drop VM option. Now, in the drop VM option, how it will work is basically with the help of this feature you can directly send the recorded audio to your contacts, and even you do not have to use any dialer for that. So because we use our own server to drop the VM, so that's why you do not have to use any dialer for this, and the client will receive the call from our number. So you can always mention your contact details into the recording, so that if the client wanted to reach out to you, so they can simply reach out to you by the mentioned number. So how this particular feature will work, let me just show it to you. So this is the number which I'm currently holding. So let me just go ahead and drop the VM to this particular number. So as soon as I click into this option, I'll got a call, as you can see. So I received a call from this particular number, and same call I also received in my mobile. So I accept the call in my mobile to just show it to you.
Hi, this is Rashmi from Team My Sales Styler. I noticed that you have registered on our portal.
So as soon as I picked the call, I got that particular VM which I have selected here. So that's how you can use this particular feature, and this will save a lot of your time and energy to while doing the calling. So this is all about the voicemail drop feature. Thank you.